a finger down if you've been warned before going out. Put a finger down if you've been touched inappropriately. Put a finger down if you've been called out for the length of your clothes. Put a finger down if you've been looked at inappropriately. Put a finger down if you've ever been catcalled. Put a finger down if you've not been allowed to go out or have had to have a super early curfew based on your safety. Put a finger down if you've been afraid to call someone out for inappropriately talking to you or touching you. Put a finger down if you've had people make sexist statements on your passions or jobs based on social stereotypes. Put a finger down if you've been told to take someone with you wherever you go or in crowded places. Put a finger down if you've been told to cover up.
A brutal gang rape in Delhi on December 16 has shaken India and triggered an
हमारे सर्जिकल स्ट्राइक रेपिस्ट के ऊपर कब होगा? करते हैं रेप करके भाग जाते हैं, पूरा जुडिशियरी सिस्टम चलता रहता है, 4-4 5-5 साल हो जाते हैं, किसी को कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता.
the country are taking to the streets to mark this courageous young girl's death.
We are really speechless about what happened. We are not safe. Our relatives, nobody's safe in the city anymore.
One woman is gang raped and murdered every 30 hours. One woman is killed for dowry every 72 minutes. One acid attack almost every 2 days. A woman faces rape attempts every 3 hours. Every 6 minutes, an attempt made to outrage a woman's modesty. Yet, we have extremely low conviction rate when it comes to crime against women.
Common people like us have come out, people who don't normally go to protest, because we feel strongly about this. We feel that we are not safe.
I was told that the reason men chased me was because of my suggestive clothing.
I was told men were mean to the women they like.
I was told not to hang around alone and take my friends along with me.
I was told that periods should be hidden.
I was told not to hang around with boys too much because it would give the wrong impression.
I was told to save myself for the right man.
I have a curfew, but my brother doesn't.
We all know not all men.
But we don't know which men.
Not all men, but I've been catcalled and followed in broad daylight. Not all men, but people I know, my friends have been sexually assaulted and forced into things even though they use the words like no and stop explicitly. Not all men, but a woman was recently stabbed to death by her husband in broad daylight in front of people. Only because she refused to quit her job. Not all men, but every single time we step outside our houses, we really wonder if we're gonna be lucky enough to even return home. So maybe not all men, but every single woman.
I know that I am a good man, and my intentions will never hurt a woman around me. But when a girl walks on a pitch dark street late in the night, she will get scared of me. Male privilege does exist. Accept it and help women around you.
If I gave you a box of chocolates with 50 chocolates and only one of them was cow dung, wouldn't you be wary of all of them? Yes, you would.
So stop saying not all men.
We women don't want this.
You know what we do want?
I want to be able to roam the streets alone at night.
I want to be able to walk around wearing a crop top. I want to be able to have a drink at a bar without worrying that someone will spike it.
I want to be able to make a guy friend without being scared.
I want to be able to wear a skirt of any length.
I want to be able to make a guy friend without everyone presuming you are in a relationship.
I want to be able to have a future without a man in it.
I want to be able to get the same salary as a man.
I want to be able to take a leave on my period.
I want to be able to keep my surname after marriage.
I want to be able to use a bag without having to hide it.
I want to be able to work after having children.
I want to be able to not be underestimated. I want to be able to wear anything I want without the fear of being sexualized.
To all the women that horrible men have hurt, we are sorry. Because not all men, but every single woman.
We are sorry.
We are sorry.
We are sorry. We are sorry.
We are sorry.
We are sorry.
We are sorry.
We're sorry.
We are sorry.